Okay, so this is my CSC 434 socket project. It's getting really late here, so let's hop straight into it. So I'll give a general structure of my code here. So I have my client Python, which is basically like my class file. Acts as sort of like I have all the instantiations, the variables, the subclasses, such as client server users, subfunctions like threads and set data. Client header sort of just runs as the main here. It kind of deals with the I/O stuff. We have the server Python file, which we have the UDB server class here, our instantiations of all such things. Die with there, send response. Server header, which deals with the I/O for the server, and we have state, which deals with the I/O for kind of the input output between the server and the client. And then we'll be using this details 1996 Excel file that the professor provided us. And then first thing I'll do is I will run the server. Okay, so the server is listening. The port is 65432. Just to show that it runs on an end host, I'll run some user here, Patrick. So we got it listening to that. Uh, Listening to that port. This is running on the general ASU server, by the way, not on my machine. Showing on my machine. Okay, so let's get some users in here. Who do we have? We'll get Sarah. We'll get Javi. We'll get Matthew. Any other windows open here? Get Patrick. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the commands, as many as I can here, and try to demonstrate them to you. So let's start off by register. So let's register our users. So we'll do register, and then we'll hit them all at once. Register. Okay, so this is Sarah, successfully registered. This is Matthew, or is this Javi? This is Javi, registered. This is Matthew, registered. This is uh, Pratik. I think it's supposed to be Patrick. I think I spelled it wrong. Sorry. Uh, Register. Okay, so on one of these users, we'll probably run. Let's just do something simple. Display users. So on the server file, it shows all of our users, and we have here. We got Sarah, we got Javi, we got Matthew, we got Pratik, or I think it's supposed to be Patrick. I'm not sure. I probably spelled that wrong. But yeah, this is who we have in the server table. And then next, let's see, what else do we have here? Have What can we run? Run check node. Check node. We have null on all of these. Let's see. And then let's try to run a query. So I think here might actually be successful in running query. Let me try query DHT. Oh, sorry, I I forgot the most important part. We're supposed to forgot to create the DHT. What was it? It was Setup-DHT. Oh, Setup-DHT 3. Okay, I'm gonna restart here real quick. Let's see. Try this again. Okay, so let's run the server again. Okay, so get the server listing. Set up my window here. Start off with 3 users. Let's go Sarah, Hobby, Matt, Pratik. Register Sarah. Register. Is this Matt or this Hobby? Whoever it is. Hobby. Registered. Let's do Matthew. Register. Okay, so they're all registered. And then from here, I'm going to create my DHT, Setup-DHT. Setup-DHT 3, if I could ever remember. So here we go, sending records to the DHT to store. Got about 241 records, so this is successful, Setup-DHT. And then we try running a query real quick. Let me see, who's this? Query DHT. Okay, so start our query. Let me see, query. Try this. And we get some data here. So we have a successful query. Perfect. Queried one of the locations indicated on that 1996 file. So we got a successful query. It's good. Let's see, what else can we run? We could run, uh, let's run display users. Display users. So on our server side here, we have all of our users that have been registered with the DHT server. So we got Sarah, we got Javi, we got Matthew, and we got Pratik. So Pratik is our since I initialized probably the minimum amount of users here, uh, our only free user here. So he can make the queries, but everybody else sort of in management. So Sarah's the leader since she's the first one I instantiated, and then we got Javi and then Matthew. But if I remove one of the users or deregister them, it'll shake up the structure a bit. So let's try that. Let's see. Let's start off. Let's deregister. Let's deregister Sarah here. Okay, so Sarah successfully deregistered. That's a successful deregister command. And then let's take a look again at the structure. Uh, display users. Oh, let's see. Oh, I forgot. Sarah is still in the DHT. Oh. Oh, she can't. She's the leader. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let's see. Let's do it on somebody else. Let's try it on. Who's this? Oh, it's not gonna work on him. Who can we run this on? Who can we run this on? Not hobby. Who is this? It's Matthew. Deregister critique. No? Leave-DHT. No? Register. Let's see. Let's try Teardown. Try Teardown here real quick. Where is Sarah? Teardown DHT. Try DHT. Okay, so we got Sarah to. So this is how I. This is a successful leave DHT. So Sarah has left the DHT, and then let's see if we run the structure again. See how. Okay, so Sarah is now. Since she has left the DHT, she is now a free user, and the responsibility of the leader has been passed down to Sarah. So now, see if I can get Sarah to deregister. Okay, so she's not maintaining the DHT. Let's see. For that. Where are you, Javi? Let's see. Try deregister. Or no, not deregister. So we got Javi to deregister here. And then let's see. What else do we have? Who is the current leader? Current leader is still Hobby. So let's try Teardown. Teardown DHT. Not in the free state. Let me see. Let's try Join-DH. Actually, Join-DHT on Sarah. Join-DHT. Let's run that display users command again. Check our status. Okay, so Sarah is gone. Bobby is the leader. And then let's see, what else do we have here? Join DHT. Bobby's already joined. Let's see, let's get Sarah back in here. Join DHT. And then we will run display users again. And finally, let's try Teardown. And then we have a successful Teardown. So the server has been terminated. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you.